everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I am Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 13th of June 2022. So these series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. So who has been appointed as the new Prasad Bharati Chief Executive Officer? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Mayank Kumar Agarwal. So recently the Mayank Kumar Agarwal, Director General of Doordarshan and Doordarshan News, has been assigned additional responsibility as Prasad Bharati Chief Executive Officer. Following the permission from the Information and Broadcasting Ministry, Anurag Thakur, the decision was made to grant the extra charge to the 1989 batch Indian Informative Service official until further orders or regular appointment to the post. Okay, so now move to the next question. Member of the European Parliament voted to ban the sale of new petrol and diesel car after which year? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 2035. So recently the member of European Parliament have voted to ban the sale of new petrol and diesel car by 2035. So the move aimed to step up the fight against climate change through the faster development of electric vehicles. So the voting was held on the amendment that would have allowed some auto emission from new vehicles after 2035, which was rejected by the Member of Parliament. Okay, so now move to the next question. Who has been appointed as Director of Asia and Pacific Department of International Monetary Fund? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Krishna Srinivasan. So International Monetary Fund Managing Director has announced the appointment of Indian national Krishna Srinivasan as a Director of Asia and Pacific Department from June 2022. Okay, so now move to the next question. Who is the chairman of the Securities and Exchange Board of India's Restructured Advisory Committee on Mutual Fund? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Usha Tharoth. So recently SEBI, the market regulator, has revamped its Mutual Fund Advisory Committee. So according to the latest update with Securities and Exchange Board of India, the 25-member advisory council will be chaired by Usha Tharoth, a former Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India. Okay, so now move to the next question. According to the RBI data, total lending dropped from 76% in financial year 2020 to what percentage in financial year 2021? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 71.8. So the RBI has advised small finance bank to continue to evolve in tune with the differentiate banking license given to them with proportionate growth in their capital base. So recently the small finance bank priority sector lending in total lending declined from the fourth consecutive year during 2021, which account for more than 28% of total loan as of March 2021 end. So according to RBI data, the share of Small Finance Bank PSL in total lending declined from 76% in financial year 2020 to 71.8% in financial year 2021. Okay, so now move to the next question. According to the Index of Industrial Production, industrial activity will increase by what percentage in April 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 7.1%. So according to the Index of Industrial Production, industrial activity in April jumped 7.1% year on year compared to the 1.9% in March. So as per the data released by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, the larger growth seen in the mining sector was 7.8% in April 2022. Okay, so now move to the next question. Fitch, the global rating agency, has reduced India's growth forecast for fiscal year 2023 to what percentage? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 7.8. So global rating agency Fitch has cut India's growth forecast for financial year 2023 by 70 basis points to 7.8%. But in exchange, India's growth outlook to stable from negative on the back of reduced risk to India's economic growth. So it has also been observed that India's growth is expected to be robust in comparison to its peer. So due to its rapid economic recovery and easing of India financial sector weakness, withstand global uncertainty, especially the Russian and Ukraine war. Okay, so now move to the next question. According to a recent report, insurance penetration in India will reach how much billion by financial year 2026? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is USD 222 billion. So as per recent report, insurance penetration in India has increased rapidly with the market set to reach a size close to the USD 222 billion by financial year 2026. So the main factor behind the increase in the insurance sector, as it is the mainly driven by the growing middle class and increasing digital accessing in coming years. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which bank license in Balakot in Karnataka has been revoked by the RBI? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Mudhol Cooperative Bank Limited. So the RBI has cancelled the license of the Mudhol Cooperative Bank Limited, Bangalore, thus restricting it from repayment of deposit and acceptance of fresh funds. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which bank recently partnered with Just Money to expand the cardless EMI facilities? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is ICICI Bank. So the ICICI Bank has announced that it has partnered with digital EMI Zest Money to expand its cardless EMI facility for purchase on retail and e-commerce platform. So the partnership in exchange affordability of customer of the bank who can use pre-approved cardless credit to instantly buy products or services using Just Money and take care of the cost into equated monthly installment.